How to make Tamago Sushi. Using 3 eggs, add dashi, sugar, and beat until smooth. Remove bubbles with a very fine sieve. Over low heat, add the mixture and spread it across the bottom. Once it hardens, lift the edge and roll it up. Tilting the pan can help. Roll it to the other side and repeat the process a few times until the mixture runs out. Finish by browning the sides over high heat. Let it cool and cut into long slices. Take a sheet of nori and cut it into thin strips. Wet your right hand and take some sushi rice. With your left hand, pick a slice of tamago. Add wasabi if you like. Place the rice and shape it into a cuboid. Take a strip of nori and wrap it around, starting from the base. Use a drop of water to seal the ends. Traditionally, it is served at the end of the meal. Please like and subscribe. Sayonara.